Yeah. Everybody's always talking about God. When I was 9, that motherfucker killed my dog. Alright, okay, don't call God a motherfucker. It ain't count when you impregnate a virgin, but don't touch her. What's the definition of artificial insemination? The divine cream pie seems a little different than turkey basting. You know what Mary said? He who is mighty has done great things for me, and holy is his name. Tick got a lady pregnant. You know what she said?
For fuck's sake, you're lucky abortion's free.
I'm Canadian, stepping off the train at Chinatown Stadium with a bunch of loud fucks. The fucking Canucks are fucking playing again? Everybody talking about God, though. Just not as much as they talking about Luongo. Yo, I pledge allegiance in all our sons command. God keep a flag flying over this land. Let's fly around the world just out of spite, cause God's divine might makes our divine right. Some slight shades of gray in the black and night. What color is God's divine light?
White.
Let's smite. Everybody's always talking about God. When I was 8, everybody was talking about pods. When I was 10, the girls were talking about learning hexes. When I was 12, the boys were talking about how good sex is. When I was 16, everybody was talking about leaving home. When I was 20, everybody was talking about their student loan. But when it comes time to justify moral fraud, suddenly everybody talking about God. Wanna start a war?
God.
Who's next?
God.
Wanna fuck poor nations with the IMF?
God.
Wanna say a priest is better than a swami?
God.
Wanna tell women the state should control their
God,
bodies? Wanna say it's wrong to be born homosexual? Wanna say the only proof we need is textual? Live unexamined with one simple trick. God's on my side now, suck my dick. God, you left us here, now we killing in the name of. You left us bitumen, now we drilling in the name of. We've been fruitful, we sure multiplying, but the fruit's kinda rotten and the plant's kinda dying. Help a brother out? Yeah. Everybody's always talking about Thor. Gotta say the god with the hammer's the one I like more. The worst you can do in that dude's name is spend a day or two trying to throw lightning in the rain. Or maybe end up in an arrogant prick. Shit, maybe that's what happened to Heretic. Living in paradise trying to pull a pair of tricks. I'm looking for maybe two of you wanna share a dick? God, I know I'm kinda being a jerk, but fucking Lloyd Blankfein says he's doing your work. Have you been clocking that motherfucker's net worth? 450 mil, and he ain't even twerk. God, it seems like we got a problem with you. Seems like God's work the opposite of what would Jesus do. I know father-son stuff's not exactly easy, but this Lord servant stuff's not exactly breezy. Guess I'm just feeling lucky that I'm not Job or Abraham or any poor sucker in God's scope. Learn to bow down, that's the power of story. Plus we have a little fun when it gets a little gory. Like God, let's rewind Pandora, Hiroshima, Sodom, Gomorrah.